Hi, welcome to Norah's Cooking Diary Season 4 Episode 9. In this video, I'm going to share with you a Mapo Tofu recipe. Silky soft tofu with minced beef in a rich and flavorful chili bean sauce tastes amazingly delicious. The hint of hot and spicy make this a perfect meal for that cold night. Mapo tofu is a popular Chinese dish from Sichuan province. This dish is easy to prepare without special technique using tofu and minced meat as the main ingredients. Keep watching and I will share with you how I cook this Mapo Tofu recipe. If you like this video, please press the like button to give the video a thumbs up. Please also consider subscribing if you haven't already and check that you click the notification bell too. And don't forget to check out my cooking tips in the description below. Happy cooking!